In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an overlay transition in CapCut Desktop. To get started, open the CapCut Desktop app on your computer. Once the program launches, either create a new project if you're starting from scratch, or open an existing project if your footage is already prepared. This gives you access to the editing timeline where the transition will be added. Next, add 2 or more video clips to the timeline. For an overlay transition to work properly, you need at least 2 clips placed in sequence so CapCut has a point where one clip changes into the next. After importing your clips, position them directly next to each other on the timeline with no gaps in between. This part is important because transitions are applied at the cut point between clips. If there's empty space, the transition may not behave the way you expect. Once your clips are lined up, go to the top toolbar and click on Transitions. This opens the transition library where CapCut organizes different transition styles. In the left panel, click the Overlay category. This section contains transitions that place a visual layer or effect over the cut, which can create a more dynamic and polished look than a simple fade or slide. Take a moment to browse the available overlay transitions and find one that matches the style of your video. Some may feel energetic and modern, while others may look softer or more cinematic. When you find the transition you want, select it. If it hasn't been installed yet, click the download icon and wait for the download to finish. This usually only takes a moment, but it's important to let it complete before trying to apply the effect. After that, click the plus button to add the transition, or simply drag the overlay transition between the 2 clips on the timeline. Then wait for it to appear on the timeline. Once it's visible, click on the transition itself so you can adjust its settings. If needed, change the transition duration to make it shorter for a snappier edit or longer for a smoother, more noticeable effect. A good duration often depends on the pacing of your footage, so feel free to match it to the overall rhythm of your project. Finally, click the play button to preview the transition. Watch the cut closely and make sure the overlay effect flows naturally from one clip to the next. If everything looks smooth and visually consistent, then you've successfully applied an overlay transition in CapCut Desktop.